Cleaning the River Thames with Robot Sharks. Water pollution has been recognized as a serious global problem that affects not only oceans but also lakes and rivers. The River Thames, which serves millions of people along its 346-kilometer course, has been no exception. Many plans have been carried out to clean the river, but new problems have required more creative ideas. With the increase in single-use plastics, plastic waste has become a major source of water pollution. Microplastics in particular are a threat to about 125 species of fish that live in the River Thames. The amount of plastic waste in the river is among the highest in the world. To address the problem, the sparkling water brand Aqua Libra teamed up with Rand Marine Technology to develop a robot shark. It is a machine that is powered by batteries. The robot shark can gather up to 500 kilograms of plastic waste per day. The machine is called the Waste Shark and is modeled after a whale shark. It also uses 15 different sensors to collect data about the river, such as its temperature, depth, and oxygen levels. Unless we stop using single-use plastics, important tools like the Waste Shark will always be needed for fighting water pollution.